We'll try a side angle. This side I finished. I got this front done up here. Got that pretty clean, looks sharp. The door's alright. Back don't look too bad. By the way, a guy just gave me this. It was all oily and greasy and red. You can see what I took out of it. Cleaned it with paint thinner and just painted it blue, so now I got a roll away. But this side's all sanded now. I'm ready to put the rust converter on it. Looks blue in this camera. It's more of a green color out here. But got the stripe on pretty nice. It's straight. I probably should have done something about this. Anyway, one thing I did do is sand off the overspray and a little bit into the green paint, so that'll mix with this rust converter and hopefully give this whole side of the truck a little bit of the green color all over it. That's a good test of this camera. You know, I got a choke cable was screwed up. This is the old one here with a white knob, which is matches the rest of it. I bought another one off of eBay, but it's got the black knob. So what I'm going to try to do is pull this inside cable out of this one. They're about the same length, and once I get that out, then I'll shove this into the good threaded one. This one here is busted loose. I could probably just JB weld it or something, but since I've got this new housing, I'm going to go ahead and try to use it. Alright, I got that cable in. I had to cut about an inch off of the housing, but got it all straightened out, lubricated, so I think that'll be good enough for this. Well, I got that in, and it's a little different script than the others, but I got it in and it's tight, and cable works good. Now I've got this right hand air one. Actually my heater and fan and stuff works. Turn the key on. You can hear it blowing. High, low, and off. Of course my turn signals work too. So anyway, even though it's a little bit different scripts, good cable. I could have fixed the other one with some JB weld or something, but I didn't, so just good enough. I tried to clean this up. This side here cleaned up pretty good. I used 409 on it. Normally that's pretty good stuff. I got me a sponsor. They wrote me and they said they're gonna send me some stuff called Fast Clean. It's a absorbent and a cleaner and all kinds of stuff, and all they wanted was a video review of it. So this is pretty good. I tried to clean this with 409. That's the best it's gonna get. I haven't tried that part over there yet, but anyway, this here, the air is broken inside the vent over there, so I'm not going to mess with it. But my choke, nice and smooth. Lights work and the left air works. And the knob fell off of my wiper here. And I've got that switch freed up. And I'm going to put it all back together and glue the knob on it. I know the wiper motor shorted out, but since I'm here in the dash, I thought I'd just try to do what I could and clean this all up, and then hopefully when I put it back together it'll be good. This dash panel here, I thought about painting it, but I think it's going to be good. The trim that goes around the bottom of the windshield is the same color, and I still got a lot of work to do on the roof here. I'm going to try rust and rear on it, but for now the main thing I was trying to do was get that choke in so I can adjust the choke and run and drive it. It starts okay, but with no choke it's really cold-blooded. Well, I got that all sorted out. The choke and everything works good. I don't know if you can see there, but my linkage is all bent up. This is the transmission kickdown lever right here. And when you pull it up straight, it's hitting the back of the block. It's not letting it go all the way forward. And this is supposed to hit it, and it's been bent over. That's the way it's supposed to work. So this is bent in quite a bit, and this kickdown lever is not quite right. So I'm going to try to take that out and fix it so it's not hitting the block, and see what I can do about getting that straight. Well, I spent basically a few hours banging and pounding and bending and welding, but I got the kick down where it's kicking down. Probably not the best deal in the world, but it is right. And I still haven't really adjusted nothing, but at least it's, when it's, you give it full throttle, it is kicking it down. So I think that'll be good enough for what I need. All the vacuum lines and stuff are on, so I shouldn't have any trouble with the transmission shifting. It was shifting before, but of course it was just shifting like you had no throttle at all. I didn't even try to kick it down. I didn't drive it very far. But at least that's right. Now I can see if the transmission is shifting. I was thinking about pulling this thing out, driving it home, pulling the AMX in here. It's supposed to rain a little bit. We'll see. Day's almost over. Maybe I will get Mr. Truck out here. There it is in the daylight. Looks pretty decent. Front don't look too bad. running and driving. Pretty straight looking old truck. I finally used the shop for what it's supposed to be for. This is what it was intended for. Mr. AMX. And I can't believe I got so much junk in here in a month. But at least it's in here. And I'll still be pulling it back out, doing a little bit of something on the truck, but at least it's in here and I can see what I got. I gotta clean up my mess. This place is filthy. And like always, you just start working on stuff and first thing you know, it's destroyed. I get all the stuff off this table and clean up all this mess. My little rollaway tool cart worked pretty good here, and build a few more shelves and try to organize this a little better. I can't believe I have all this stuff in here, and just a little while ago I was just working in my driveway. I don't know where I had all this stuff at. Anyway, like and subscribe if you will. We'll have a sponsor for cleaning products pretty soon, so that might be an interesting video.